Hi my dear students, let us begin drawing class today. Today's in the drawing class, we required materials are one single paper, then strainer, coins, then we required the another item is leaf. By the help of this material, we can prepare the shading. How to do the shading? Let us see now. Take the strainer, place it on the strainer and take the pencil which is having the nice point of the pencil. After that, hold the paper stiffly. Then slowly you have to shade on the strainer. You are going to get the beautiful designs. These designs can be used for background of the any preparing sheets or some borders or which you prepare the greeting cards designs. In this way, if you start preparing, see, you will get the background of this paper. You can utilize this paper as a background. So you can find out that you can just observe that the design, you can see some designs, the beautiful design if you use the strainer. Next, one more thing we can do it. Dear students, now you can take the trace of coin. How to take the tracing of these coins? My dear students, your teachers will give some of the projects. You can utilize these as a for preparing the project also. So you have to place the coin behind the paper, hold stiffly, then you can start shading on that. You will get the beautiful coin, the exact which coin you have kept, the same coin you will get. Now we have kept a 5 rupees coin, so you can see that 5 rupees coin. Now you just change the coin face. You can keep another side of the coin, then hold it tightly or stiffly. Then again you trace it on that. You will get the back side of the coin face. So how beautifully you will get. Or you can do, dear students, now if you want color coins, you can place the coin behind the paper, hold it stiffly, and you can use the crayon also to get the color coin.
Hey, do this.
Now which coin can you see? We have kept 2 rupees coin. So you can see the 2 rupee coin. You can see the 2 rupee coin. If you would like to use some different color also, you can use the different colors to get the, see, you will get the back side of the coin. Or next you can do one more thing. You can do by the help of the leaves also. First you have to place the leaf under the paper. Yes, you can start. See my dear students, you can see the beautiful leaves tracing. This is also called as tracing of the leaves. Just if you do it like this, you will get the beautiful leaves picture. But only the thing is, you have to hold the pencil in the sleeping line in that way, or hold it in this way. Then you will get the tracing of the leaf. Or you can utilize for this also for coloring. You can use the colors also. Keep your use the colors also for the leaf. Keep behind the paper, then start tracing on that. You can see the leaf tracing also. My dear students, you can get the leaves tracing. Okay, now the same way, by the help of the strainer, you can use the colors also to prepare the background. Either you can start from any side, you can start in this way. After that, you can use another color. Next, to make the color combination, you can use the yellow color. First I have used pink, then I have used yellow. Then the next you can use another some color combination, either blue, dark blue, in that way. Now you can see the designs, the beautiful color shading also it has come. Dear students, you can utilize as a birthday greeting cards or some other, if you want to use as a project cover page or assignment cover page, whatever you would like to do, you can do it. But you can use as a background of this, you can write wish you happy birthday. In this way you can utilize as a birthday greeting card also or something else. My dear students, you can use this type of any other materials to take the trace. You will get the beautiful designs, background designs in this way. Hope you understood how to do the shading and tracing. Thank you, my dear students.